here with Julian and Ryan from Logic Sport at the Logic Sport Oaks Day VIP lunch. Thank you for coming, and thank you so much for coming to your second time in Australia since May. So please tell us why you're here.
Thank you for having us. Really appreciate it. We are here. Australia is a really important market for us. We have a lot of customers here. We have a lot of admiration for the country. We are here to see a lot of our customers, a lot of the companies that we're hoping to work with, really focus on digitizing kind of the end customer experience. And I think Australia is starting to accelerate that curve. We think we can help. So we're here meeting as many people as possible and having fun at the same time. What do you think, Ryan?
Well, we're also hiring here. We're here in support of our first hire in Australia, Zoran Kostadinoski, who's based out of Melbourne, overseeing the Asia Pacific region for us. We have other open roles here in support of our customers and prospects as well. So every time we come here, it's an opportunity to, further ingrain ourselves in the logistics community. It's really important for us.
Beautiful. And give us a little bit of an oversight about what technology you guys offer to the industry.
Sure. I'm happy to take point on that. We offer a customer experience platform for freight forwarding companies. Essentially, we integrate to your operating systems or your systems of record, and we provide a beautiful, kind of customer experience layer that your customers can use to come in, track their shipments, manage their documents, place bookings, essentially become a little bit more self-served while also having a better service. Work with a lot of companies in Australia, actually. Usually we help customers generate more revenue by using our product in their sales processes, increase their share of wallet by wowing their customer base, and also build much more kind of resilient and scalable operations using technology to scale the business as opposed to having to add more and more headcount to scale as they grow.
Amazing. And you guys are obviously, Ryan, do you have anything to add to that?
No, that was really good. I'm not going to try to follow that up.
Obviously, you guys are a global company, so kind of where do you guys sit within, the market and other competitors that offer similar technologies?
That's actually a really good question. So yeah, today we have customers in about 20 different countries. We have teammates in about 7 countries. We're pretty much, touching every single continent in terms of customers. Really, we are a layer that overlays operating systems. So a lot of times we're coming in and replacing some of the existing functionality that those systems can offer, which was built a long time ago. Those systems are very much great at the internal operations of a freight forwarding company, but when it comes to a great customer experience, that's not really their core business. So I'd say that's probably where we can play the most. We think those systems do a really great job. So we focus much more on partnering up with them as opposed to, trying to change anything that they're doing on the internal side of the house. Brian, what do you think? Anything to add there?
It's a really exciting time in the space. When we first got into the market here, there was maybe apprehension or a little concern around, adopting new technology. And I think there was still some learning that was being done on the part of forwarders and how to evaluate that. And what we've seen in the few years that we've actually been here in the market is the appetite for that is growing. And so it's exciting to be part of that space and bringing something that is providing a lot of value back to our customers and the logistics providers here.
Yeah, amazing. And I believe that I heard both you and Ryan say that I think Australia is now your second biggest audience at the moment, currently in the market.
Yeah.
So where do you see Australia sitting in the global market, in the future?
Australia, we've seen it as a country, frankly, that has innovated really quickly. They've adopted a lot of technology. You also have CargoWise being local to the region here and CargoWise being a really strong system at a global scale. But a lot of our customers use CargoWise as their core technology, which is one of the reasons that we've grown in Australia really quickly. But frankly, we've seen people here being much more kind of have a desire to digitize their operation, to really stay ahead of that digital curve, and in particular, focus on how can they deliver the best experience possible to their customers. So I think that's giving us a really strong advantage in Australia. What do you think? Anything to add there?
Yeah, I think this is a market that's helping the rest of the global logistics community kind of pace itself. And so there's a lot to watch here in terms of what direction, technology and the products and just the effect that that'll have on the rest of the industry globally, for sure.
Yeah, I agree with that completely.
Perfect. Do you guys have anything else to add about the company?
We're just excited to grow.
Yeah.
And we're excited to be as big a part of the Australian market as we are. We'll continue to grow here. And Yeah, we're hiring. It's exciting.
Yes.
Ryan will always say we're hiring. We're looking for great people to join us in our mission. We've grown really quickly. We're at about 120 people across the globe and growing, but super excited to continue to grow in Australia and partner up with companies here in their digitalization process. So thank you for the interview.
Thank you so much. Well, everybody, if you're interested in contacting Logix Board, Zoran is the head of Melbourne, Logix Board in Melbourne. So give him a call and he can discuss the technology with you guys. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you.